So here's how to use Google Translate if you want to download it from the Chrome Web Store. So you'll go out to the Chrome Web Store and search for Google Translate. Once you get it, you select Add to Chrome. Next, it says it can read and change all your data on the websites you visit, and you say Add Extension. It is on the approved list of extensions for our district. You'll see that it adds it to Chrome. It says checking, so it'll take just a few moments for it to turn up here. And then this will ultimately be a toggle button that will let you add it or take it away. And now it says it's been added. You can use this extension by clicking on the icon up here in the top right corner. And you can manage your extensions by selecting the extensions in the Tools menu. So now I don't see it up here. If I want to see the extension up here, I have to pin it. So I select the puzzle piece for extensions. I can scroll down and see that I have Google Translate. And if I want it to always be up in my toolbar, I can pin it there. And now I can see that it's been added right here. It says left click to translate and right click for options. So I hope that this helps and you have a terrific day.